Ever noticed how the steady click-clack of a typewriter can actually help you focus better? There's something almost hypnotic about the rhythmic sound of a typewriter. That constant clacking as the paper inches forward does more than just create noise. It sets a steady, comforting beat that can help your brain lock into a flow state. Instead of distractions pulling you away, that repetitive rhythm acts like a metronome for your thoughts, keeping your creativity sharp and your focus on point. It's like the machine itself is pushing you forward, one click at a time, until ideas start rolling effortlessly onto the page. What's your favorite sound that helps you focus? Share below.